All right, back again. So second thing that we noticed was pretty similar as well. So to find this attack distance, what we were giving was this enemy croc pivot point, which was far away from the scene, as you can see somewhere here, while this croc is here too. So what this means is that instead of simply finding the difference from finding the distance from this transform.position, we will make another transform, or that is the player transform. This one, as you can see, this one is a player transform that it will move, and another will be enemy enemy this enemy transform, and this I will save. Again, it shouldn't be or you guys can totally give serialized field, something like this, and later you guys can inside this transform.position you guys can give this enemy, which is your current transform.position, pivoted near your model 3D model. So if now I show it, now it asks for a pivot, and here we can totally give this transform, which is this one, this transform, which is basically rigging information. And now if you play, and if we can find out the distance here, so if we go here, this transform is well placed. Yes, if you can see the script here, so we can copy this to this here, and next thing we'll do is look at where transform is. Yeah, that is where it was used. So now we will check to see the correct values here. Again, we have already wrote this distance is, which is here, which is actually, yeah, this debug.log. So this distance is, we have already highlighted, so this will be the correct distance, and then this is the attack distance. So right now the distance 14.1 is greater than 7, so it won't attack. But if we increase it, decrease it to 6, and now if we play, it will start to move, as you can see. Even though it is moving, but it's not really, it can't really move. What can be the issue? I think, is it with the animation? Animation is fine. It's with the NavMesh. So agent movement script is getting is problematic here, because if you see the player tag, this doesn't have a player tag, this doesn't have the player tag, this armature, if we can click, has the player tag. So now if I press tab to start, as you can see, it starts to attack right away, and then it will stop for a few minutes, and then it will find the target again, and then it will attack again. So as you can see, it's working a bit better now. The chase systems work. And if we can go to animation here, animator, this is how animator is. So the only problem here right now is that this animation, even though it stops, but the right animation run doesn't play right away. So this is the only problem left with this enemy.